Hello and welcome to all of you in my channel Blue Chip Finance. In this video we are going to discuss one more question related to non-trading concern which has appeared in the paper 2015 supplementary and 2017 supplementary. So same question is asked in two different papers. So let's come to the question. And question is that the following is receipts and payments account of Young Men's Society for the year ending 31st December 2005. You are required to prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st December 2005. Here receipts are given that opening balance is 3485, entrance fees 650, donation 6000, subscriptions, interest on investment 200, sale of furniture which has face value 2000 but you sold it on 1685, so that is your loss. 2000 minus 1685 is your loss. And sale of old papers, receipts from recreation and miscellaneous receipts. On the payment side, books 6150, that should be your asset. Printing and stationery 465, newspaper 1110, sports material purchase 5000, repairs 650, investment 2000, furniture 2000, salaries 1500, and closing balance is 3165. And in adjustments, capitalize entrance fees and donations. So okay, we should capitalize this entrance fee 650 and donations, which means that it should be a part of capital in the balance sheet at the liability side. And depreciation on sports material is 20%. So sports material depreciation is 20%. So it is very simple question. And first of all, we should talk about capital fund. Here you can see that no opening assets and no opening liabilities are given in the question except this balance. So this opening balance 3485, this entrance fees and donation, because it is asked in the question in instructions that entrance fees and donations should be capitalized. So these three are part of your capital fund. This 3485 should be capitalized by default, and entrance fees and donations should be capitalized according to the instructions given in the question. So these should be included in your capital fund: 650, 6000, 3485 and 10135. And after that we calculate the expenditure and income account. So first of all, we come to the payment side and record the expenditures. So books is your asset. Books are your asset, so these should be treated in the asset side of the balance sheet. Printing and stationery, newspaper, these are your expenditures. So printing and stationery and newspaper 465 1110 should be treated here under the head of expenditure. And after that repairs and salaries. Repairs, sports material is your asset as books. Repairs is your expenditure 650. Investment and furniture, these both are your asset. And after that only salaries are your expenditure. So repairs and salaries should be treated here under expenditure. So repairs are 650 and salaries are 1500. After that, depreciation on sports material, which is asked in the instructions, that depreciation on sports material is 20%. So this 20% depreciation is your expense. And what is the sports material? 5000, and 5000, 20% of 5000 is I think 1000. So 5000 multiplied by 0.20 equals to 1000. And when we place the value of sports material in the asset side of the balance sheet, we should subtract this depreciated value from the cost of your sports material. And after that, one more expense is lying here. In sale of furniture, face value 2000, but you sold this furniture at the rate of 1685. So your selling price which you took from the buyer is less than your face value price. So it is your loss, and loss should be treated in the expense. So this difference should be treated here. Loss on sale of furniture is 315. So this should be treated here. And after that, we come to the receipt side, or when we treat this into income, what is given related to this. So entrance fees and donation, we already discussed that these should be capitalized. After that, subscription is 8565, and there is no adjustment related to subscription. After that, interest on investment is your income, so 200. Sale of old papers 465, receipts from recreation 865, and miscellaneous receipts, these are all your income. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So income, subscription 8565, interest on investment, receipts from recreation, miscellaneous receipts, and sales of old papers 465. And the difference is 5180. Your expenditure side is less than your income side for 5180. So this surplus should be added to capital in the balance sheet. So add just this surplus 5180 plus 10135, and amount is 15315. And asset side, your closing cash, that is 3165. After that, furniture 2000, sports material less depreciation, and books, investments, sports material and books, all these are your assets. So cash 3165, investment 2000, sports material less depreciation 5000 minus 1000 4000, and books 6150. These are all your assets. So now it is balanced now, 15315 and 15315. So it was the question which is appeared in two different papers. So in next coming videos we will discuss some more questions related to non-trading concern. Till then, Allah Hafiz.